Hello, what's happening guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background music of your any video. So let's get started. In our timeline, we already imported a sample video. Let's play this video a little bit.
Great job. You've decided to eat healthier and clean up your diet.
Here you see there is no background music in this video. To add a background music, simply import your preferred music. Then drag this in your timeline and cut the extra portion of music. Let's play the video now.
Up your diet. Summer, it'll be here before you know it, and this year you're bringing
Our background music seems to me very loud here. We need to volume down in this audio file. To do this, simply click on your audio file and drag it down. Let's play the video now.
Decided to eat healthier and clean up your diet. Summer, it'll be here before you know it, and this year you're bringing it strong.
You can also control the volume by clicking in your audio track and simply click on properties. You can increase and decrease volume from here. In this way, we can easily add any type of background music in your video. Thanks for watching.